Alright, so we got some parts laid out here. It's our rear floor tray for the Ram crew cabs with full center console. This has already been installed. It's been out for powder coating. You're going to remove the 2 caps on driver and passenger over the rear of the center console. Take out the 2 10mm bolts. That's where our plates are going to go. And then we have our side plates, we have our crossbars, and our rear support bars, and a whole mess of hardware. So the instructions are pretty good, but I'll go ahead and get this semi-assembled and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so yesterday was a long ways away. I started with some sort of install video. I had a monsoon on top of me, ended up closing the truck up and cramming myself inside to finish it. But anyways, it's mounted to the side of the console on both sides, mounted underneath to the rear floor divider. You have access to your cup holders with and without the Packout mount. You have plenty of storage. You have some molly on the side. We can do all kinds of stuff. The new tray for the Packout mounts to the molly on both sides, bridges the gap so you have plenty of room underneath for storage. You've got room in front for a little bit larger things that fit underneath the console. You clear your console. You can flip out your 110. You've got plenty of room for most plugs. You can still use the cup holders. Let's fold down a seat. You can see you have plenty of room for passengers on the left and right. Center, well, child in a car seat, maybe, or somebody's gonna be very uncomfortable for a long ride. But that's the newest edition, and you can do the single in the wide. You can do the slim like we have under the seat. You could do a multitude of them, as really as high as you want to stack them.